we've been on the hunt for some new products. We have a couple of different things today. The theme is all about chocolate again.
It's all about chocolate.
And biscuits, because Dan likes biscuits.
I like biscuits.
There seems to be a theme in Australia at the moment. What's the theme, Dan?
Well, the theme is, and I don't know whether it is anywhere else in the world, so let us know, guys, if you're having the same thing. But companies are taking a flavour or a brand and adding it to their product.
Yeah.
We did a video a month or so ago.
About milk.
Milk, and they were adding the flavours of lollies or candies or whatever you guys call them.
Well, we're in the same wavelength as that at the moment. We've got milk.
We have milk.
Got biscuits. For all of you in America, a biscuit isn't a scone. It is a cookie. Okay, So we're not having a scone one of your things, but yeah, he's just got an empty glass at the moment.
Crystal.
It's not. Bing. It's just glass.
Hey?
It's just glass.
You told me it was crystal.
No. It's just glass.
Shit.
It even has this. How good it is! It's got a join mark here and a join mark here, so you can see how they made
low quality
made it in
crystal.
the mold.
So Dannii has been looking around for this, and she's pretty excited about this one.
Well, this one I am.
This is new for me,
because
so.
I like one of these. Milk, it's okay. I'm not a big chocolate milk fan, but I am a big iced coffee fan. So I've got iced coffee.
This is Dare. Now, just as a disclaimer, guys, this is not a paid video by any of these products. This is
I
us.
bought these. I went out and bought them and sourced them, and
this is us sampling and reviewing the product.
we've not tried them. We haven't sort of said, oh, we'll try them first. We literally bought it. I bought a really big milk because I like iced coffee, and Dad's just spilt it everywhere. But it was on sale. The small one was more expensive than this size, and this one's chocolate milk. So
there's a chocolate there.
One's, and they're two different brands. You can see this is Dare Iced Coffee. This is classic. So this is Dairy Farmers Classic Chocolate. What you might be asking, what is she talking about? Why is it milk? I tell you why. I've got these milks.
So the first one, let's do the first one.
These are called TV snacks. So I grew up with these.
Now these are made by Arnott's. This
Arnott's biscuits.
Originally was an Australian company, then was sold off to an offshore company, and I think it is now owned once again here in Australia. Arnott's.
Arnott's make the majority of our biscuits in Australia.
We actually have an Arnott's factory down the road.
As kids, we used to have these, and they were TV snacks, and they are malted.
Why are they called TV snacks
Well,
then?
because you sat there and ate them while you were watching TV. But they were malted biscuits, just covered in chocolate. Well, this one is inspired by, see here, inspired.
Oops.
Can you see that? Inspired.
And that's the bottle.
By this milk. So we seem to be getting a lot of milk that has been inspired by lollies. Well, this way it's the reverse. It's inspired by the milk.
So
this is chocolate milk.
Glasses.
I just have a little bit.
Dannii doesn't drink a lot of it.
I don't like chocolate. It's funny, I love chocolate, but I don't like chocolate cake or chocolate.
As she scoffed a whole bar of chocolate last night.
I like chocolate. I didn't have a whole bar. I had 3 bars.
All right. 3 bars. Dannii had 3 bars of chocolate last night. You can't lie on video, Dan.
Well, this is really chocolatey.
Yeah, I actually don't mind this
Dan
chocolate milk.
likes chocolate milk, and he loves this one. Don't spill it.
Chocolate milk.
Tastes like chocolate milk.
Tastes like chocolate milk.
Now, for the best part about this sampling. So these are Arnott's TV snacks, milk chocolate, inspired by Dairy Farmers Classic Chocolate Milk. And look, these are changed. These are little bottle shapes, like the bottles as well. The ones they used to get were just all weird shapes. They were all funny little shapes, weren't they?
So they actually look like the bottle as well.
They look like the bottle, see? They've got a little bottle shaped bottle, see?
Okay. Open the freaking box, let's eat them.
And you've got to keep
I mean,
these
just
in
review
the
them,
fridge.
sample them.
Come in a little packet. I like the TV snack, so let's see. They're only little bite size. They're not
Comes the other
huge.
side.
Other side, this
There
side.
you go. And so apparently that looks like one of these.
So you can see, a little miniature version.
There we go.
Maybe that's the inspiration, is the bottle shape, not the actual chocolate, because it's always been a chocolate biscuit with a...
So when they say inspired by this, like it's chocolate.
Oh, no. So it's the cookie inside that I think is inspired by it, because it used to be a malted biscuit. It just tastes like a chocolate
That's what it looks
biscuit,
like
guys.
inside.
It's just, look, chocolate. See that?
I like that.
Hmm.
Finger licking good.
I like that too. What I love about this, it's a hard biscuit. It's not soggy, it's not soft.
You could dunk these though.
You could dunk them in
You
a cup
dunk
of
them in
tea.
your cup of tea or your cup of coffee. Or even, I don't know if that'll work, we could actually possibly do it in
And
there.
they would, well, I think.
Well, it's got a little end on it so that you could actually dunk it right in.
It soaks it up. It's always better when you buy that than you dunk it in, because it's the cookie soaks it up. See, look, soaks all the milk up. That's pretty good then.
Yeah, very good.
So these are, excuse me, TV snacks.
From Arnott's. Now, if any of our
Just going
friends
everywhere.
overseas are interested in trying any of these products, please let us know. Now we have someone that's actually talking to us right now. We're actually we haven't got back to you guys if you watch this video, but we will. Where we will be actually exchanging some Australian products for some American products. Now, if you're in England or South Africa or wherever you are, and you want to do the same thing, let's direct message each other and then let's find out what's involved.
I'm really interested in trying different chocolates and lollies and things like that, or foods. But some of them, something I'll eat. But because I know that even we've been to Indonesia, the chocolate over there is quite salty, and we've been to America where they've had a couple of things that we've got, and they don't even taste the same. They are so different, but it's the way the chocolate's processed or who makes it, or But these are TV snacks. These come in this little bag. I bought them at Woolies. They were $2.50. These are a really bad thing to have when you're sitting there by yourself watching TV, because you just definitely don't want to share them.
Okay, let's get on to the next one.
Good.
So this one is Dare iced coffee double espresso.
And I didn't get the extra strength one. I just got the medium one.
So this is made with real Robusta and Arabica coffee and fresh milk. Double the coffee for double the coffee kick. I should put my glasses on while I'm trying to read.
So you might ask what this has to do with a cookie. So
let me just pour this. We just gotta sample this first. Now Dannii does like iced coffee.
I do like iced coffee. This is one of my favorites.
So as
it's good. It's really good. Smells like coffee. I don't think you should do that. It's not a good.
that's how wine drinkers
It's
do
not
it.
wine. It's iced coffee.
Oh, that's really good.
I love iced coffee.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that's
So
the
you might
bottle.
ask me what this has to do with the biscuit.
With
well,
cookies.
again, it's Arnott's. So
it's another Arnott's product.
It is. So Arnott's have brought out this.
Iced coffee slice.
Right?
The
And it's
Dare bottle.
inspired
There it is. You can see the
by
Dare
Dare.
bottle. Hang on, let's get
Look
the
at
Dare
that.
bottle in there. You can see the Dare bottle right there.
So this is a real chocolate biscuit, like covered in chocolate. And I'm assuming, we'll find out in a minute, that it's just got a nice coffee cream in the middle of it. Yeah, I think it'd be like a ganache.
A what?
I don't know.
A ganache.
Yeah. So that's the packet.
And the packet of cookies.
How he does, like he's like a bull in a china shop, right? I was in a hurry to show you.
I'm in a hurry to eat them.
I was going to say you got all excited then about a cookie. Yeah, so this is them. And these are our Woolies for $2.50 as well.
Okay.
Have a cookie then.
That's what they look like.
They're just round, flat bottom, but you can tell. Oh, you can smell.
Oh my goodness! Look
smell the coffee.
Just put that. You can just see the ganache, I think it is, but that's actually the coffee flavour, right? Oh my goodness!
This Arnott's would be one of the best biscuits I've had in a long time. You should do this in a Tim Tam.
Ooh.
This would
Tim
be
Tam.
like the bomb in a Tim Tam.
I'm spilling shit everywhere. Oh my goodness.
It's really good. I don't know if you can see the cream. You can see that light bit? That's the coffee cream. And that's inspired, I guess, by the milk.
By the milk. By this right here.
This is, like, it tastes like coffee. It's good. It tastes like the milk. This is a good interpretation of a nice coffee biscuit.
Does it say it's inspired by it? Yeah, inspired by Dannii. Right there, right on the packet there. Let's get that out of the glare there.
This is a yum.
That is a really good biscuit, or cookie, whatever you guys call them.
I like this one.
That was very rich in coffee, that was beautiful.
It'd be nice with a cup of tea. Not a cup of coffee, but a cup of tea. I don't think you could eat a lot of these ones in a row because they're quite sweet.
You want to try me?
No, because we won't be able to fit you in front of the camera.
I have to go to the gym again. Well, I have to go to the gym tomorrow now that I've had these.
There's 12 cookies in there, or 12 biscuits in there.
If you're in Australia, these are Arnott's iced coffees. Yeah, Arnott's iced coffee slices. If you guys want to try them and you're somewhere else in the world and you don't have these where you are, let us know and we'll do an exchange. We'll swap cookies or biscuits for lollies or candies or whatever it is, and we'll do some reviews. Help us create some more videos, and it might help you guys create some videos as well. These are really good.
These are good.
These are good. And we have hit our time limit, guys. So we are going to call it here from Dannii and Dan. Dan and Dannii.
Dannii and Dan.
From the Adventures of Dan and Dannii. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, guys, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you don't like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs down. But tell us why, guys, just so that we know what we're doing as well.
Don't forget to comment. Lots of comments.
Comment down below.
If you think of anything that you want us to try that we can get here in Australia, I'm happy to go out and source it. Just let us know what you think.
Yep. If you haven't already subscribed and you're liking what you've seen, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. We really do appreciate all the support that you guys are giving us. If you want to get notified when we upload these videos, which we want to try and get more regular now that we're getting ourselves back into a routine again.
I'm sorry, guys. I've been back at work and it's sort of thrown me for a loop. It's been busy, but I'll get there.
But from us, we will catch you on the flip side. See you guys.
Bye.
That is really good, Dan.
You like that? Yeah. You can't eat them all at once.
I'm going to.
No.